The Handy Mag Multi-Purpose Dispenser. This dispenser can be installed anywhere. For example, it is magnetized so it can hold disinfectant wipes on filing cabinets, tissues for door handles, wipes for kitchens, gloves on machinery. It can also be held up with wood screws, garbage bags by cleaning areas. The dispenser has 4 powerful magnets and 2 screw holes. It is 10 inches high, 6 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. There are 6 adjustable metal prongs to hold different size containers. That is the Handy Mag Multi-Purpose Dispenser.